Hello everyone, welcome to Data Analytics Professionals video series on AWS and Machine Learning. This is lecture number 4 given by Shanaz Malik, myself. In this lecture, we will learn how to set up $alarm threshold in Amazon Web Services. Before we proceed, I would like to request you, if you find this lecture useful, then please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share this video with friends and colleagues, and leave your feedback in the comments section. Thank you. Well, to set up $alarm threshold in AWS, first thing we need to log in into our account in AWS. Once that's done, once you are already logged in, you need to click Services and search for CloudWatch. Let's do it. So here I am in my Amazon Web Services already. My account is logged in, and I'm going to go into Services, and in Find write CloudWatch. Okay, and if you haven't mistyped anything, so you should get CloudWatch. You click on it, and you should land on this page. Okay, so we have to understand that Amazon Web Services stores billing information in North Virginia, so you need to select US East North Virginia if you are in any other section. Okay, once that's selected, North Virginia, so the next step is, if you go into navigation panel, which is on the left hand side, in the alarm section, you go and click billing. So you will land on this page. Here you go and say create alarm. You land on this page, create new alarm. So you'll see the you have to select a metric for this alarm. So let's select one. Again, we search. Let us search. If you type estimated, for example, and say click it, say enter, so you will get two metrics. So let's make it for total estimated charge. We click on it, and we click US dollar. Okay, so you'll see the estimated charge US dollar is now clicked. Once this is done, you go and say select the metric. So once you select it, all you have to do, you have to show the threshold. So when my total AWS charge for a month exceeds whatever is your threshold, let's say $2, and I'm saying send a notification to me, notify me at this email address. Okay, so I have already placed this email. You will get an option here if you haven't done it before, so you'll get an option here to put this email address. Okay, my one is already there. Once excuse me, once this is done, so you can say create this alarm for me, and you see this is here, the alarm is here. It's at the moment showing insufficient data, but Amazon is working at the back end. Once it collects all information, like you might need to go into your account where you have the email address, and click the email from Amazon's, check and approve it, and then everything will go here as okay. Okay. So, for example, I have these are my three thresholds. So let's say, for example, I would like to, once I have done, I would like to make some changes to my alarm. So I click the one I need, and I can go here, I can delete, I can modify, I can copy, and if you see, so for example, if we need to modify, we go here, so we get again, so we can go into threshold, we can say notify me, and we can go into advanced stuff as per our requirements. We are not going to do this, as we are going to move slowly, step by step. So all is okay already now. This is pending confirmation, means I have to go into my email address and check the email and approve it, and then this will be all good to go. Here I don't need to have any actions, no actions required. This is pending for confirmation status. So this is the way we do it. There are other advanced stuff which we are going to check later. Uh, for this video, that's it. If you like it, please share these videos with your friends and colleagues, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you. Have a good time. Bye bye.